Hi, my name is Jaden Ike, and this is the Tentacle scope. This bad boy has three categories of components: the stand, the telescope body, and miscellaneous parts, such as the lenses and lens cap. I started with the legs of the stand. I wanted a part that could easily link itself in a repeatable fashion. I created these pawn-looking type solids using a revolved extrude of the sketch. The leg used angle limit mates and concentric mates. Revolved cuts were used a lot in this project, like these holes in the base. Next up was the main body of the telescope. For these parts, I mostly used box extrudes and extruded cuts and the mirror tool. For the principal cylinder, I used the previous sketch to draw the inverse of the fancy track from the main body. This way, they can lock together and slide mechanically. There were two challenges when creating the eyepiece. I learned that the order of the cuts and the extrusions mattered a lot when creating a shape such as an angle pipe. I used sweeps for the conical shape, which took many attempts to adjust the curvature where the sweep could work correctly. To make an accurate concave lens, I used a revolved cut of a large sphere at its focal length. The gear for the rack and pinion is in charge of the user input for the mechanical translation of the principal axis. Here I used the rack and pinion gear mate from the mechanical mates tool. Both the gear and the textured knob used an extruded cut from a revolved pattern sketch of rectangles. To top it all off, a lens cap with my name engraved on it. The feet were altered dinglets. I wanted to simulate them to see what to expect when under the weight of the full assembly. As expected, they deformed at the epicenter of the arch. This project took roughly 55 hours to complete. I learned a lot about SolidWorks as well as the creative process of design from imagination.